Do you ever notice that no matter how fat your paycheck is, your bank balance still feels like it's vanishing? Whether you're making six figures or struggling to make ends meet, it sometimes seems like salary alone just isn't enough. Welcome back to the Financial Literacy Guy. Today, we're talking about how salary is never enough, whether you earn big or small. In an ideal world, a higher salary should mean more freedom, right? But in reality, a big paycheck can disappear just as fast as a small one. Why is that? Let's break it down. The high earner's struggle. Imagine earning a six-figure income. On paper, it's a dream come true, but high salaries often come with high demands, like lifestyle inflation. With every raise or bonus, expenses tend to climb. Fancy dinners, luxury cars, and bigger homes keep you in a costly orbit that can eat up your earnings. Another demand is tax and deductions. Higher incomes mean higher tax brackets. A significant portion of your paycheck might go to taxes, along with other obligatory expenses like mortgage payments or educational loans. Also, big earners often face unexpected costs like childcare, healthcare, and investment commitments that amplify everyday stress, leaving little surplus even when the income seems impressive. The small earner's reality. On the flip side, when you're earning less, your struggle is different but equally challenging. Some of the challenges faced are 1. Rising cost of living. Even modest salaries are frequently outweighed by escalating rents, food prices, and everyday bills. It often feels like you're running in place trying to cover basics. 2. Limited savings. With so much of the paycheck going towards necessities, there's little left for savings or emergency funds, making financial security seem like an elusive dream. And 3. Side hustles and extra work. Many find themselves taking on additional jobs just to bridge the gap, leading to burnout and little respite. So why do both high and low earners experience the same financial squeeze? It's not just about the number on your paycheck, it's how you live. For example, cultural and social pressures. There's immense pressure to keep up appearances, which drives many to overspend to maintain a lifestyle that might be unsustainable. Another example is instant gratification. Modern society rewards immediate pleasures. Spending on gadgets, vacations, and luxury items is more tempting than saving for a rainy day. Most importantly, lack of financial education. Many are never taught how to manage money wisely, regardless of income. The same fundamental principles of budgeting, saving, and investing apply to everyone, yet they're often overlooked. Understanding this cycle is the first step towards financial freedom. Here are some ideas to help you navigate the paradox. 1. Budget wisely. No matter how much you earn, track your expenses meticulously. 2. Invest in financial education. Learn the basics of investing, compound interest, and smart financial planning. 3. Cultivate mindful spending. Ask yourself if each purchase truly adds value. 4. Plan for the unexpected. Build an emergency fund to break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. 5. Set long-term goals. Instead of succumbing to short-term indulgences, invest in your future with solid financial goals. Ultimately, financial security isn't solely about a big salary. It's about smart choices and being prepared for life's surprises. Whether you earn big or small, managing your money with a clear plan and discipline can make all the difference. If you found these insights useful, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. How do you keep your financial stress at bay? Let's start a conversation.